You'll be able to see the cross on the ground. Okay, you can see smoke trailing out the back of the plane. And that is our first jumper away. Big water to see. 2 canopies already open. 4 parachutes are open. See the now setting of smoke on the ground. And seeing waves land in the sea right next to that cross. To set up their landing pattern. Sitting down, getting to the right altitude to start his landing pattern. We're following the camera and then putting on his front risers to pick up speed. Before turning it towards the beach. Ladies and gentlemen, our team sergeant, Sergeant Steve Valley! 6 miles an hour towards the earth. Big cheer for the crew teams, they're coming. Down they go. Here they come towards the earth. Right up the head and split. We're now close to the landing. Here he comes, Corporal Richie Kingston! And Corporal Ollie Hobbs! The boats are up making their way towards them and pick them up. And last but not least, we have Lance Corporal Kai Fisher flying the Houston Jack Line on his first display season and his first display water jump. Give him a big cheer as he comes over the beach. Putting down the front risers, pushing it towards the rest of our people. Ladies and gentlemen, Lance Corporal Kai Fisher! As I said, we will be around afterwards by our marquee. Come there.
I think the drop into the sea actually quite dramatic, and now I'm not sure about it, but it's a great sight, isn't it?
All down safely. What a special part this afternoon. It's something very unique. We haven't seen it for a couple of years, so it's great to have the other demos here watching it.
Good to see whether at least the British military does manage to maintain each of them a team to enable us, but it's of course all part of the recruiting process, so we get a chance to go out to the Western North and have a chat with the guys and they're out there as well. I suspect they'll be a little bit soggy, but I know it'll be keen to chat to them about how they get into the army, how they get to do their job, and of course what it's like to be trained as a paratrooper. Something to, well, certainly to, I don't know if you do, enjoy yourself for a couple of minutes and keep everybody up. So a good chance now, pop up on those decent coffees, suntan, fluids, hydration, and of course don't forget to stay fast as well. See you later.
And even a visit from Paddington Fair. Whatever brings you together, you'll find it at the beach. The beach at Eastbourne. Shop, eat, play, together.
Happens to proud sponsors of Radio Airborne, a local family business and servicing subscribers across Kent and Sussex. We represent Audi and Cupra.